U.S. versus Bustos. Facts. In the latter part of 1915, numerous citizens of the province of Pampanga assembled, and prepared and signed a petition to the executive secretary through the law office of Crossfield and O'Brien. And 5 individuals signed affidavits, charging Roman Punzalan, Justice of the Peace of Macabebe and Mazental, Pampanga, with malfeasance in office and asking for his removal. The specific charges against the Justice of the Peace include the solicitation of money from persons who have pending cases before the judge. Now, Punzalan alleged that accused published a writing which was false, scandalous, malicious, defamatory, and libelous against him. Issue: whether or not the accused is entitled to constitutional protection by virtue of his right to free speech and free press. Held, yes, the guarantees of a free speech and a free press include the right to criticize judicial conduct. The administration of the law is a matter of vital public concern. Whether the law is wisely or badly enforced is, therefore, a fit subject for proper comment. If the people cannot criticize a justice of the peace or a judge the same as any other public officer, public opinion will be effectively muzzled. Attempted terrorization of public opinion on the part of the judiciary would be tyranny of the basest sort. The sword of Damocles in the hands of a judge does not hang suspended over the individual who dares to assert his prerogative as a citizen and to stand up bravely before any official. On the contrary, it is a duty which every one owes to society or to the state to assist in the investigation of any alleged misconduct. It is further the duty of all who know of any official dereliction on the part of a magistrate, or the wrongful act of any public officer to bring the facts to the notice of those whose duty it is to inquire into and punish them. In the words of Mr. Justice Gaynor, who contributed so largely to the law of libel, "The people are not obliged to speak of the conduct of their officials in whispers or with bated breath in a free government, but only in a despotism. The interest of society and the maintenance of good government demand a full discussion of public affairs. Completely liberty to comment on the conduct of public men is a scalpel in the case of free speech. The sharp incision of its probe relieves the abscesses of officialdom. Men in public life may suffer under a hostile and an unjust accusation. The wound can be assuaged with the balm of a clear conscience. A public officer must not be too thin-skinned with reference to comment upon his official acts. Only thus can the intelligence and the dignity of the individual be exalted. Of course, criticism does not authorize defamation. Nevertheless, as the individual is less than the state, so must expected criticism be borne for the common good. Rising superior to any official or set of officials, to the chief of executive, to the legislature, to the judiciary, to any or all the agencies of government, public opinion should be the constant source of liberty and democracy.